Hello guys and hello everyone. Namaste, namaskar, sat sri akal and vanakkam. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Teona and this channel is all about India, Indian culture, traditionals and many interesting topics, videos, challenges and everything, and many more guys. So now let's get started about part 2. I was have part 1. I was make the video. Who didn't watch, please watch part 1 video. Now I have part 2 video about my favorite breed of dogs. Who don't know now, you know that I love so much dogs. मैं बहुत पसंद जानवर है, मैं बहुत पसंद कुत्ता है. And this is my favorite breed and my favorite dogs. मेरा favorite पाशु, मेरा favorite जानवर है. So yeah guys, now I will start to talk where I stop. So now let's get guys enjoy and follow me on Instagram about me and my YouTube my YouTube page and also my YouTube my Instagram video. I'm so sorry, my Instagram profile is in description down below. So now guys, let's get started. And these guys, when we talk about the Kuvas, now the Kuvas guys, it's really amazing good breed of dog. Also there it's like high intelligent dogs, and it's really it's a big size of dog. There I will some post picture. This is amazing kind of dogs guys, and I don't know how to say, but it's I like them really much. They're very protective, can be also very aggressive. It's not good for training the dogs. When we talk about the groomings is can be like so hard, little hard can be, but yeah, like Kuvas, it's really how to say, like they come from Hungary. I didn't say, I'm so sorry. They come from Hungary country. And also Moody, the next dog who I will talk, it's also there, coming from Hungary, from Hungary country. And now they're about Kuvas. They're very tiny, very supportive, and very can be very friendly dogs. And good, it's good for children and for kids. So yeah guys, I think this is this for Kuvas breed. And yeah, also there it's really just white, like white color, like they don't have other color, they're just white. And they can be also protective about other animals, like if you have horses or cows, sheep, goat, and something like that, animals, that type of animals, yeah. And now guys, when we talk about Moody, also Moody come from Hungary. They are so cute, like they have a picture, they are amazing dogs, amazing. They are very friendly, but also can be very aggressive. It's this is really about independence on humans, how human training these dogs, how grooming these dogs. And also they can be very good with kids, but also can be danger, I think so. And I looking like this, something I know about this type of breed of dog. And guys, this Moody breed, they're very sweet. They coming also from Hungary, yeah, I said this. For training it's easy, have good intelligence, like It's not so much high intelligent, but it's not so much low. It's middle equality. Yeah, guys. So there it's also it's amazing dogs, and dogs who is just coming from black, white, yellow, something like that, like yellow, white, black color, silver color. They can be like silver, blue color, something like that. And yeah, this is this for this dog, for this breed of dog. The next breed of dogs, guys, it's calling Pekingese, and this is my favorite, and so cute. They're small size, they're so cute. Like looking in picture, they're amazing dogs. They're so much aggressive. They're not for children, not for kids, not for children, not for others animal. This is like so dangerous. If you wanted to have like Pekingese dog and with someone other dog or other pets, other every kind of pets, so they can be very dangerous. They are so much aggressive. They want to be dominating, to dominate people, pet, like puppy, like it's like this. They coming for every colors. They can be every colors also, like poodle and chow chow. Also maybe like can terrier also can be in every color, yeah. And guys, like Pekingese, they're like so cute. For training, it's so hard, really so hard. They are like last of high, it's for low EQ, intelligent quality. So there I will post somewhere. Like they are so dumb and stupid dogs. I'm so sorry I talk like this, but yeah, they also can be very allergy, can have very easily can get allergy, or can be easily sickness, can become sick. So there it's very important to, like when it's winter or it's cold outside, to don't go outside this dog, because it's really dangerous for this dog, for this breed of dog. And for Kuva's dog, it's also, I didn't said and forget to said that Kuva's also can be very allergic and very can get sick, this dog. And this is really to be carefully with this type of dog and this breed of dogs. And guys, when I have the next dogs, I will say like Portuguese and Spanish water dogs, and they're amazing dogs. Like there is Spanish water dog and there is Portuguese water dog. The difference is about size, intelligent. It's high. I think Portuguese have high intelligence, or Spanish, maybe Spanish or Spanish have high intelligence. I don't know, guys, whatever. However, no, anyway, nothing. Like Spanish water dogs and Portuguese water dogs, it's amazing. They coming from Spain and other coming from Portugal. And there is so amazing dogs, wonderful dogs. They coming also, I think, can be mixed with mixed color. I mean, and this type and Spanish water dogs, they become with Irish water dog, I think so. I'm not sure, guys, but I was thinking on Google, I was search it before 5-6 months. Yeah, before 6 months. Yeah, I was searching about this, and I know that become poodle, like poodle dogs is from Spanish water dogs created, and with Irish dog or with Hungary dog with pulley. Yeah, with pulley maybe. I think so. They have middle equality, like it's not so much high intelligence, but it's not all low. Also, they're like middle intelligent quality. They are easy to training and can be easily, but also can be hard. It depends on humans and how humans treat these dogs and how training these dogs, right training or wrong training. That is very, very important, guys. And for these dogs, I can say it's really friendly and so much like jumping, and this can be sickness. They can have something in legs, like can be sick in legs because they so much jumping, and they are very like dog who is active dogs. Yeah, and who really like to be friendly, like to meet stranger people, like to meet everyone. But this is really for this to be careful, really. And the others, guys, the next dogs, before last dog, it's Schipperke and Schipperke, whatever. There it's so cute dog. It's small size dog. It's just black. They don't have color. It's just one color, black. And they're so cute. Have black eyes also and black color, and it's so cute, and it's so fluffy, like really. And yeah, guys, after that, he's really cute. They are really cute. They are really awesome. It's also persons who is like I can say easy for training. For grooming, it's very easy also, because of fur. It's really good, and I don't have others what I explain and what to say, but they come from Belgium country, and they are really amazing and cute dogs. I will say like that, and I think so really like that. And the guys, the next dogs who is really amazing and my favorite breed of dog, that is who nobody know about this breed, I think so. It's Dog Roller Retriever from Nova Scotia. Yes, from Scotland, from New Scotland. So guys, they are from New Scotland. They're dog retriever who really can kill dogs. Every type of dogs can kill every type of chicken can kill, like this can be really good dogs, good for training, easily for training. They're high intelligent quality, high intelligent EQ. They're very friendly can be, but also very dangerous. And also if have guys like pets, other pets, they can be really careful about them, because they are very hard, that they can be really hard, and they can kill like every types of pets, like every types of pets they can kill. So let's be really careful about this. They have blue eyes or green eyes, maybe blue eyes, but also can have brown eyes. It depends of dogs and of genetic of dogs, and about parents, grandparents, you know. And so they also can be about grooming. It's so easily about groomings. And take care of bath, of course, every month, every about 2-3 months, to take a bath, to take shower. So guys, yeah, I think this is for this type of dog and for this type of breed of dog. This is this, guys, for this video. I hope so enjoy and like it, or dislike, whatever. Please subscribe on my channel about me, because I am beginner, and for you it's nothing, but for me it's everything. It's very important to many people know about me in my channel. and subscribe on my channel, on notification on bell to know when my video uploading, because different days and different weeks uploading video, guys. Not every time uploading my videos. It depends on how I'm free and how about everything. Yeah, can be everything about free, and when I'm not free, and sometimes I'm lazy to do. But guys, yeah, for editing it's really like when I make to edit, like editing, it's really hard, guys, to video to editing. So I will give money to someone if someone give me if someone will make edit my videos, I will give $1,000. Okay, no, I'm kidding, not $1,000, but I really need to someone to help me about editing, to edit my videos, because for me it's really, I don't have time. And if I have time, whatever, however I have time, but if I have time, I don't have time. But if I have time, it's really hard to make. It's really hard to do editing, and it's make me so much nervous and so much angry about editing videos. So this is this, guys, for this video. I hope so enjoy, like it, and watching. Thanks for watching my video, and we will see you in the next time and next video, guys. Love you. You are Teona. Love you so much. Bye.